students, you are welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can solve this logarithmic equation. Solve for x if the root of log x equals to log cube root of x. Now let us see how we can solve this question. We start by using a letter to represent log x. Let's say let m be equals to log x. Now we can call this equation 1. Now let's change this log into indices. Remember, for the fact that we don't have any base here, it means that it's in base 10 automatically. So by the time we will change it to indices, x will be equals to 10 raised to the power of m. Okay, this can be called equation 2. Now substitute equation 1 and 2 into the original equation. Then we have the root of log x. Remember, log x is m, so the root of m equals log the cube root, okay, the cube root of x, and x is 10 raised to the power of m, 10 raised to the power of m. All right, now we need to change this to m raised to the power of 1 over 2 equal to log 10 raised to the power of m. Now this cube root can be changed to 1 over 3. Now we are going to multiply these two powers together so that we have log 10 raised to the power of m over 3. That is, m times 1 will give you m. So you have m over 3 this side, and this side we already have m raised to the power of half. Alright, now applying the power law of logarithm to this side, this power will come here. Alright, so that we have m power 1 over 2 equals to m over 3 log 10. Alright, now we know that what the base we have here is 10, and we know that log, since what, log 10 base 10 is always equal to 1, so what we have here is 1. So eventually we'll be having m power 1 over 2 equals to m over 3 times 1, so which is the same thing as m power 1 over 2 equals to m over 3. Now we can decide to bring the two m together. Don't forget that this m is having power 1. Okay, by the time I cross multiply, this and this will multiply to give me 3. Okay, to give me 3 m power 1 over 2 equals to m power 1. All right, now this is the same thing as 3. Divide both sides by m power 1 over 2. 3 equals to m power 1. Divide by m power 1 over 2. Now applying the division law of indices to this side, 3 equals m1 minus 1 over 2, which is the same thing as m raised to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, now if m raised to power 1 over 2 is equals to 3, it implies that what, that m, okay, it implies that m is equals to 3 raised to the power of 2. That is when you square both sides. So therefore m equal to 9. Now that we know the value of m to be 9, we can now find the value of x by substituting it into equation 2. So substituting into equation 2, x equals 10 raised to the power of m, and our m is 9, so x equals 10 raised to the power of 9. So this is the value of x.